Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Up with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day. And today I want to show you a really quick card, but it's nice. And I've been doing cards lately for encouragement for the people who are staying home with this virus. And who don't get out and who may need just a little social interaction. So I've been doing cards and sending them out. Sorry about this. And so this card, it was a quick and easy card, but it uses the Power of Hope, the stamp set, and I really love, this is a celebration item, level 2, so it's $100. You can get this. Hope is the power that makes all things possible. Okay. So what we're going to use, of course, we're going to use the Power of Hope. We're also going to be using, for ink, we are going to be using our Memento Black, and I'm going to be using some subtle Stampin' Right markers. This one is the Calypso Coral, Seafoam Green, and Balmy Blue. And we are going to be using the Whisper White note cards. So I'm just going to stamp the saying first with the Memento Black. Hope is the power that makes all things possible. God is the power. God gives us hope. And then I'm going to stamp the geisha right below that. I know this is moving. We're in East Lansing now in our condo. I'm sorry, I know this flops a little more than normal. And then I'm going to do the pagoda. Just like that. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to take the Calypso Coral and I'm going to color in the kimono. You can use any colors you want. I like Calypso Coral. And I'm going to use Seafoam Green for the parasol umbrella. And I'm running out of Seafoam Green. And then I'm just going to use Balmy Blue for the pagoda. And there you have it. Quick, easy card. Please accept my challenge and mail out 2 cards a week to folks that may need a little encouragement during this time. Thanks for visiting and happy Sam. Oh, remember, follow me. Everything to get this is down below, and I really would appreciate it. In these trying times, I know it's hard to buy something, but I'm trying to keep my business up there, so please help me out. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.